complete, syempre, totally, wala na. Okay, so you're going to ask the patient, okay, are you choking? So, it will just nod, and then, okay, position yourself, stand behind the victim, guys, place one leg in between the victim's leg. Okay, this is for support, guys, because there is a tendency for our victim na mabubuhat natin. We will get it. Okay, then, wrap your arms around the victim, look at the navel, okay, to the neck, like this one. Lesser body contact, the better. Bawal ang lamas, guys. Okay, ha? Okay, so dito po, anda, bewang. Okay, so bewang. Okay, then, diretso nyo lang po, because of the center of the bewang is our, what do you call this one? Navel, pusod. Okay, so pag nakakala, pusod-pusukin, guys. Okay, no? Yan lang po. Then, at the top, okay, bottom. So this one. It can be like this, or it can be like this. Okay, and then, mountain ko ng konti. Okay po. So this is a tendency when we think na ano siya, choke. 5 times, guys. Sige, mountain ko na po. 1, okay, then check po. Okay, then ulit ko naman 2. Hindi po yung sunod-sunod na 5. Okay po. Okay, that is now the abdominals. Okay, the chest part is
here. Hindi mo na siya bubuhatin.
Hindi mo. May tendency mo buhat. Depende sa ano din. Talagang pag sleep mo raman mo siya. Taligtad lang. Salted lang. Okay? Then this one is the chest part. Okay? 5 times again. Mount the foot, mount. Okay? This one, guys, is mag-move ng konti. This is the shoulder blades, guys. So, in between the shoulder blades. Okay? The heel of the palm. Okay, this one. Dito po. Okay? So, not dito. That's in between the shoulder blades, guys. Okay po? Yan.
Hindi pala,
Yes,
hindi pala,
oh.